Okay. Let me tell y'all what just happened. When that lightning strike hit, I got freaking shocked by this mic that I'm holding. And I'm inside the house. Oh, nah. No. See, I couldn't even think right now. That was so freaking scary, dude. Dude. What? I'll bring the camera down a little bit, angle it down. Probably change the settings. I'm scared that I shouldn't even be touching this because of that happening. Dude, holy crap. I'm sorry, y'all. I stepped away to go do other stuff because that genuinely freaked me out. But I think this is going to be a great video when I post process. Lord. But apparently I just looked at the radar and the radar is not as up.